Smart thinking.
Okay. Would you do me a favor? Go down there, and the idea is to just guide. Don't get under it at all. Did the centerpiece come out?
I think so. I just hit my head on it.
Sweet. That makes sense, I guess. So you can get in, you know. I learned that trick when I put the batteries in the C-Ray.
Nice.
Because it was not quite as far down, and they're 8D batteries, and they're down 20 pounds a piece.
Yeah, no, that's smart thinking. Weight's really tough when you get below your center of balance, especially.
Yeah. You could take that one. Yeah. Alright, so I'm missing that piece of trim from there.
Mm-hmm.
So, that's just good. I can always just move it to the trim. What I was getting at is you could strip the flooring off of the hatches as well.
Okay. Best access on that.
You could take it out to the aft deck.
Do you want the trim on the hatches gone too?
No, leave it on.
So that's what I was thinking about the access.
Oh. It's amazing how different the sound is when you're doing the hammering. I mean, it's still the same, but it doesn't
like
bother you as bad.
Yeah, your brain is able to shut it out because it's expecting it or something. Same thing when you're shooting a gun compared to somebody else shooting a gun. Well, I guess that makes sense. You're less in the way of the sound waves.
Did you give me a grinder with a cutoff wheel, please?
Yep. Are they up here or down below?
It's not in there. You could look in here.
What kind of cutoff wheel?
A metal cutoff wheel. Perfect. Yeah.
You have a grinder down there?
No, I need a grinder with the cutoff wheel. There's a green one down there. I don't want to take a little one. Sorry. But it actually might be at the shop now that I think about it. Oh, wait. I found it. I do need that wheel though.
So I'm seeing the shape of this plywood underneath.
It's fine.
Well, the thought was, is it? Okay, I was going to
It's
say.
just a hatch. I mean, well, the other stuff is like that too. But anyway, sorry. What were you?
Well, I was just considering the thought of like how much work or money that it would cost to rebuild it by comparison to trying to refinish this, but
Well, it's not going to get refinished. It's
No.
going to get.
just covered straight over.
put this over.
Okay.
I think. That's the plan. Maybe take the sand with like 60 grit or something to clean it up a little bit. Maybe put some like a penetrating epoxy on it.
Okay. Say, Jim.
Yeah.
What made you decide about not putting the flooring right over top of this parquet?
Because it was off in some spots.
Okay. Curiosity asked me.
Yeah. Can I have my red channel? They over there?
Huh?
Or here, or there, or there? I knew they were on top.
Oh, yeah. Let it bit me. Oh, bueno.
See the water?
Uh-huh.
These ones are easier if you go that way. I mean, if you got something there, that's different. Hey, you may have to-
Okay. You say something?
I said, can you give me a hand for a second?
Yep.
might put that back in. I didn't realize it was a good one. I figured it was a junk one. Hey, we're in Seattle. What if it's a stainless steel? Yeah, it's only 6 gallons. My this heater has on-demand heat.
Right.
This thing's out of the water like 6 inches since I got it. Up.
We've lost that much weight.
Well, I got all the water out of it.
Yeah.
And I've taken weight out.
Yeah.
And I've taken wet wood out,
That's
which
a
is
big
a bunch
thing.
of weight.
That's a lot of weight.
Careful. Don't fall backwards.
Yep. Thank you.
Could you grab me a regular screwdriver?
Yep.
Thank you.
Yeah, I just smack my fingers with the bar as it comes back. Alright, I'll be back.
Yeah, that one might have to be rebuilt.
Mm-hmm.
It's coming off pretty good.
Yeah, it's whatever they put on the surface here seems to bond it right to that edge.
I don't care about that.
Oh yeah, yeah. That's kind of what I was saying. All this stuff on the hatches is really, really well glued down.
Different setting, maybe in like a shop or something.
Hmm?
They might be done in like a shop or
Yeah, that makes sense. And whereas the rest of them are done on site.
yeah. Just you're almost done with that one.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
These ones will probably just leave.
Okay. Hey, you got that flathead? You put it away?
More. I didn't put it away because it's so neat.
That's it.